Stay tuned for that light show. It's gonna be crazy. It's finna be crazy. Look at that box wrapped. Tight.
I'm swagger surfing. Check my style. You cannot go get this. Why you started the exclusive? That's how I get it.
Yeah, it's perfect.
That's why I spit it. The way I live it. It's so exquisite. Now my
Or you can put the colors together, make all types of colors.
bones say I spit it vivid. Then I
Stay
come
tuned.
and put it down so you really lift it. Now put up the shine mode. Now it's time to go to work. Now it's back to grind mode. Street hustling, street gutter tussling. You ain't with a real nigga, he don't cut the mustard, man. Mess around and catch the nigga 5-finger cut the man. Now you gotta mess around and 5-finger cut a man. Real life, real situation, real talk, real time, real preparation, real motivation.
Y'all better get on your job. Bird gang here, we working hard, nigga. For motivation. Y'all better get on your job. Bird gang here, we working hard, nigga. Motivation. Y'all better get on your job. Bird gang here, we working hard, nigga. Motivation. Y'all better get on your job. Bird gangs here, we working hard, nigga. Y'all niggas wanna slack, then you getting laid off. I ain't stopping on this job till the boy paid off. Hustle 7 days a week, so there's no days off. You can tell from my swag that the boy be a boss. Customized limo,
Tight it is.
through the limbo. A sight full of info, and look what you
Nice
did
and
for.
tight.
I'm a big boss.
Stay tuned for the Rucci
G-Pack. Freestyle for that and call me a beast stalker. And love the beat, so
Get it.
call me a
About to be
beast
crazy,
stalker.
yo.
Time for Gotti, cause he just a cheap talker.
It's gonna light up. I might make this light up. I don't know yet. I'm trying to figure it out real quick, but
I
wanna do something epic. Epic, man. We gotta go epic with it, man. That's the faceplate. It's gonna be when it's all wrapped up, lit up. Check out this Rucci sign. Prepared out. Routers. Maybe I get a couple more of those. Stay tuned, man. We can go crazy, man. Got the solid station set up, ready to blow. Stay tuned. Actually, I gotta get it together where you guys can see it. It got a background where you can't see through. I gotta put something behind it, so you guys stay tuned. But it's gonna be all cut out. It's gonna be crazy. I don't know if I want to put more grills back there or what. I don't know yet, but let me see what we're gonna do. But that face plate gonna be crazy. Got time. Stay tuned though.
Anywhere you pick, you choose them judges. I'll let you do it. You know what I'm saying? Cause you got shit already going. You say in Florida for you videos and shit. But when you wanna fuck with him, man, you know where I'm at, dog. Yeah. Find motivation, nigga.
It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. The Oldsmobile sign gonna be right there. Plexiglass. I'm thinking should we put grill there? Y'all stay tuned. We got some. We finna go crazy. Stay tuned. Team motivation, no hate. Let's get it.
Make it right cheek move, girl. Do what you do with that booty. She in the club on the fucking grind. I'm in the club like I lost my mind. Light skinned chicks just so fine. Big tits in the big behind. She want a nigga like me with a stack full of ones in the team. I'm in Playboy mode. Now you have the girl out the clothes. Now work that pole up and down.
Yeah, this is actually lift up. You put your hand down in there. It's in the air. It's like levitating over it. I don't know if you guys can see. It's like it's levitating. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. And this front piece gonna go on there. That's gonna light up. It's gonna be the grill. You gotta get some more grill. Order some more grill with the red. This is finna be epic, man. We gonna go crazy. Then we finna start on. We gotta do power windows, power locks. We gotta do ceiling, starlights for the ceiling. Pretty much a few more things for the audio. And we done. Stay tuned. I wrap the whole box. I ain't gonna put a faceplate on it, y'all. It's all good though. Stay tuned. Stay tuned.